So guys, OpenAI just released GPT 5.6 and the first thing everyone asks it, can I use it for free? And the answer is yes. And in this video I am going to show you that exactly how you can get GPT 5.6 without paying for ChatGPT Plus. And the best part, it's not just GPT 5.6. You will also get access to models like Claude, DeepSeek, GLM and few more all in one place. So don't skip this video because I will show you everything in step by step. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe. I post videos about AI tools, free AI website and the latest AI updates almost every day. Alright, let's jump in. First of all, open your browser and search for Moonshot AI. Don't worry, I will put the website link on the description below. And open the first website that shows up, and once you are there, just create a free account. I have already signed in, so let's go straight to the dashboard. Now this is the part that I actually like. Instead of giving you only one AI model, this website gives you a bunch of them. If you open the model list, you will see GPT, Claude, DeepSeek, GLM, Kimi K3 and more models are completely for free. Another thing I noticed that there are several settings over there. You can change its level depending on what you are doing. If you are want to quick answer, use faster mode, but you are writing code or working on something difficult, you can choose high or extra high mode. Okay, now let's choose GPT 5.6. the newest GPT model available here. So I am going to see a simple message that it can respond or not. As you can see, the response looks really good. Okay, now let's build something using GPT 5.6. Okay, now I ask it to build a premium looking website using only one HTML file and waiting for its result. You can skip this part. Here is the result. Honestly, it came out much better than I expect. It even add nice animation, a clean layout and beautiful background. So if you are building a website, portfolio or landing page, you can use this website. One more thing before we finish, if you click on your account, you can see with your free account you also get $1000 of free credit. That's enough to test different AI models, build few projects and see which AI models works best for you. And that's pretty much in this video. So if this video has helped you, please like this video and subscribe our channel, and let me know in the comment section which AI model you want me to test next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.